All right, it says, what is the simplest form of this expression? So what am I supposed to do with this thing? Does anybody have any ideas? Yes. I can't hear you because of the mask, but I think you said something about distribute or multiply, and somebody over here. So you're both right. We just got to distribute it. So I'm going to use the box method. So I'm going to say x plus 7 times the quantity 3x minus 8. 3x times 1x is just 3x squared. 7 times 3 is 21. It's a positive 21. And then don't forget to tack on the x. 1x times negative 8 is just a negative 8x. And then 7 times negative 8 is negative 56. Okay. All right. So then this whole thing is 3x squared. Don't forget, you got to add like terms. So I've got negative 8x plus 21x, which is that 13? Yeah. So that's plus 13x. And then minus 56. And that's it. Okay.